Today I'm going to show you the jump, kick, male stripper dance move. Now this dance move is a variation on the popular hip hop dance move in the 90s, the party machine. I'm pretty sure people already teach this variation. Not quite sure of the exact name for it, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just call it the jump kick, because to me that just makes sense, okay? Woo! So with this movement, I'm going to break it down in two parts because there's essentially two things happening at once. We've got the things happening with our lower body and we've got the things happening with our upper body. Now let's begin with the lower body. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to jump out to the side of our body, okay? But at the same time, I want you to understand right now that we want to keep our center of gravity in the same plane of field right here, in the same line, right in the center, okay? So we're technically jumping out to the side, but we want to try and keep our center of gravity in the middle, in line, okay? So the first step is a jump out to the side with just this leg only. We're going to jump out, okay? So notice how I came straight back to the middle. That's because I kept my center of gravity in line. A couple more times I'm going to show you. We're going to jump out, jump out, jump out, jump out. So it's just like a hit and then I'm going to come back. A hit and I come back. I'm going to show you with the right leg. Jump out, jump out, jump out. What we want to do with this other leg, the one that's in the inner side of our body and the one that's doing kind of nothing at the moment as our other leg is hitting the ground and jumping out, is we want to kick it out like that, okay? So as this leg jumps out and hits the ground, the moment that hits the ground, this leg's going to kick out like that. Let me show you how that looks. 7, 8, and 1. One more time. 7, 8, and 1. Let me show you the other way. 7, 8, and 1. 7, 8, and 1. 7, 8, and 1. Now, if I'm just going to do the movement in its entirety right now, basically, if you want to see the full video, make sure you click the link in the description below. And for my YouTube audience, for my YouTube viewers, I'm also giving you the opportunity to schedule a free one-on-one video chat with myself. You get to talk to me for 30 minutes and we can talk about anything that's on your mind. So take advantage of it. My time is yours. Click the link below and I look forward to having a chat with you soon.